Automation used to be simple, particularly with HighLevel. Something happens, triggering a workflow. Examples of triggers include a form being submitted, a tag being added, or a deal moves to a new pipeline stage. These will trigger the automation. Now, what if AI could decide when automation should start? That is exactly what just happened. HighLevel has officially integrated Manus AI directly into workflows. This means you can now run structured AI tasks, trigger workflows from AI signals, and automate complex business processes without any third-party tools. And if you run an agency, sell automation services, or use HighLevel to build systems for clients, this update is a big deal. In this video, I will show you what the HighLevel Manus integration does, and why it completely changes how workflows operate. You will learn how agencies can use it to automate research, proposals, and prospecting. You will also learn why AI-driven workflows will become the new standard for automation. Let's break it down. So, what is the HighLevel Manus integration? To understand this integration, you first need to understand how Manus works. Manus is a task-based AI system. It was recently acquired by Meta, the owner of Facebook. Instead of just sending a single prompt to an AI model, Manu allows you to create a structured AI task. That task can then run a prompt, generate an output, continue with additional prompts, and evolve through multiple steps. So, instead of isolated AI responses, you get an AI workflow. Now HighLevel allows these Manus tasks to run directly inside HighLevel workflows. This means you can create AI tasks, retrieve AI outputs, and continue AI tasks with additional prompts. You can also update tasks and delete tasks, all without leaving HighLevel. And the really powerful part is that automation works in both directions. HighLevel can send instructions to Manus, and Manus can trigger workflows back inside HighLevel. That two-way communication is what turns automation into an AI-powered system. Why is this automation a big deal? Traditional automation is reactive. Something happens first, and then the system responds. For example, a form submission triggers the sending of an email, or maybe a deal moving to the proposal stage triggers a task. Now, AI introduces something totally new. Automation can actually start based on detected signals. For instance, AI can pick up on things like when a lead needs follow-up, when a conversation is dying down, when certain patterns appear in messages, or even when a prospect fits your ideal client profile. Instead of just waiting for a manual trigger, this initiates an automation. This shifts automation from starting when an event happens. With AI, the system detects a situation that starts the process. The system suddenly becomes much more intelligent. But there's an important catch. AI will not magically fix a messy automation. In fact, it can actually amplify it. So if your workflows are chaotic right now, AI will just accelerate the chaotic situation. The businesses that benefit most from AI-driven workflows are really the ones who already understand their customer journey and automation structure. There are several powerful capabilities included in this integration. The first is native AI automation. You can create and manage Manus tasks directly inside HighLevel workflows, without needing tools like Zapier or Make. The second is AI task triggers. Workflows can automatically start when Manus tasks are created or completed. Third is multi-step AI logic. You can actually continue a Manus task with additional prompts. So, AI could research something first, then create content based on that research, and then generate outreach messaging all inside the same workflow. Fourth is task visibility. Each Manus task generates a task ID, which can be stored in HighLevel custom fields, so you can retrieve outputs later or resume the task. And finally, this integration supports premium workflow actions, allowing agencies to rebill clients for AI-powered automation. Setting up this integration in HighLevel is very straightforward. You start by creating a workflow inside automation. Then, you choose a trigger. This could be something like a form submitted, an opportunity created, or a pipeline stage change. Next, you add a Manus action. For example, create task. Inside that step, you write the prompt. You can also insert merge fields like contact name, company name, or opportunity details. Once the task runs, Manus returns a unique task ID. You store that task ID in a custom field. The workflow then waits for a short time. After that, you add the get task action to retrieve the AI output. Now, you can do anything with that output, like add it to the contact record, send it in an email, create a note, or send it to your team. So, let me give you a few practical examples of how agencies are already using this Manus integration. The first application is AI-generated proposals. For example, when a deal moves to the proposal stage, the workflow sends the project details to Manus. Manus then generates a full proposal, including the scope, deliverables, pricing, and timeline. After that, the system sends the proposal draft right back into HighLevel, so your sales team has something to review and send out instantly. The second use case is in automated lead research. When a new lead submits a form, HighLevel sends the company name to Manus. Manus researches the company and returns insights like industry, competitors, and likely pain points. That research gets attached directly to the CRM record, so the sales reps are well informed before they make their sales calls. The third application is in AI-powered prospecting. When a prospect enters the pipeline, for example, the workflow sends their website to Manus. Manus analyzes the site and extracts positioning, services, target audience, and differentiators. Then it writes a personalized outreach email. This can reduce hours of manual research for SDR teams. The fourth is competitor ad intelligence. Manus can scrape competitor ads from specific URLs. It analyzes hooks, offers, value propositions, and calls to action. Then another AI step can automatically generate differentiated ad creatives. This basically creates a competitive intelligence engine running right inside HighLevel. Agencies should pay attention to this Manus integration. It is not just another feature update. It really signals the direction automation is going. AI is moving from simple content generation to more structured AI operations. Agencies that learn how to design AI workflows will be able to build systems that automate research, marketing, sales, and even client delivery. Instead of selling individual services, you start selling automated systems. And platforms like HighLevel are positioning themselves as the infrastructure for those systems. The integration between HighLevel and Manus is a major step forward for AI-driven automation. You can now create, manage, and continue AI tasks directly inside HighLevel workflows. That means automation is no longer limited to just simple triggers. AI can now power the entire process, from research and content generation to prospecting and marketing intelligence. But there is a fact to remember: AI does not fix broken systems. It actually amplifies the systems you already have. So, the real opportunity here is learning how to design structured workflows that combine automation and AI in the right way. If you're not using HighLevel yet, you can start with a 30-day free trial using my special link in the description. That's double the usual 14-day trial. You can explore the platform, test the new AI workflow integrations, and see just how powerful automation can become. Also, check the first pinned comment for the link. And hey, if you want more content on high-level automation, AI workflows, and building systems that can really scale your business, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because the future of automation is not just workflows, it's AI-driven workflows.